What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Excel files to Google Drive. So first off, head over to Google Drive by simply going on to Google or any browser, and then in the search bar type in Google Drive, or you can simply type drive.google.com. After that, you will be welcome to the homepage of Google Drive. Now on the left side, you have the option of new. Click on this and then you will see the option of Google Forms. Click on this Google Forms. Now, after opening the Google form, come back to Google Drive and then open your Excel file in the Google Sheets. Now, after opening your Excel files, on the left side at the top, you will see the option of files. Click on that option and then click on Save as Google Sheets. Now, after saving as Google Sheets, head back to the Google Forms and then you have the options for responses, these three dots. Click on this and then just click on Select Destination for Responses, and after that click on select existing spreadsheet and then click on select. After that, your Excel sheet will be selected as the Google Drive sheet. So this is how you can create or you can convert your Excel files to Google Form. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.